Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Pinketts. How are you guys doing on this lovely Saturday evening? We're coming to you live. No, not live. By the time you see this, it won't be live. But we're coming to you from the great city of Baltimore. And, guys, we got on here a couple of months ago and we were celebrating our 6-year wedding anniversary, and we went to Europe and it was amazing. We had a great time. The videos are still coming. And though then we were pregnant with purpose, we're still pregnant with purpose, but now we're
having a baby. We're pregnant, and at the time when we put up the video, a lot of our family and friends were so disappointed and so mad at us because
that we weren't pregnant. I'm still getting threats, but anyway.
And so we're here, one, to say sorry for duping you guys, but also to say, hey guys, we're pregnant for real this time with a beautiful baby Pinkett on the way, coming January 2020. So we're just so overjoyed and just super blessed and excited that God has chosen us to bring forth life, and we're just so excited.
Thank you guys for following and tuning in. You guys stay put because we have some wonderful announcement photos right after this video, and make sure to like us, share it, and subscribe.
And we have a little sneak peek of me super nervous to tell him that we were pregnant and his reaction, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, later.
Hey guys, so I'm about to tell hubby that we're pregnant, and I'm super nervous and excited all at the same time. I'm waiting for him to come out of work, and we're on our way to dinner, and I'm gonna tell him before we go to dinner with some friends. And yeah, I just can't stop smiling. I do not understand how you guys do these proposals. I tip my hat off to y'all because I'm nervous and excited and all of that in between. But stay tuned. All right. Well, it might be a little bulky, but
okay.
Yeah. Why are you all nervous? I told you what it is.
I know, but you saying all this stuff.
I'll take the box out.
Oh, that's a whole nother box?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you trying to gag me?
No.
You sure?
It's candy in there.
I think you're trying to gag me. What? Stop playing with me, Lee. Stop playing. Are you serious?
We're pregnant.
Are you serious? Wow! When did you find out?
This morning.
And you've been holding it all day long?
And it was so hard.
How do you feel?
I'm excited.
OMG. Yo, Lee, stop playing. Wow.